Now, what does that actually look like if you weren't in Postman and you wanted to use it in an app? What it's actually doing behind the scenes is adding an authentication header to it. So if we had no auth here like this, and then we had the authorization header, what you then need to do is do your encoding for your password. So the easiest thing to do, in my experience, is just come over to your AI of choice and say, I need a basic course, bearer token. So I used to write bear, now it's a joke. Bearer token, username is Big Bear, and password is Big Bear. Now, obviously, you don't want to put that into AI, but for testing purposes, I'm okay with it. But in a real world scenario, you would set up the code in your backend, front end, however you want to do it, that would encode these, probably from a environment config or something like that. You probably want to protect it a little bit more than passing it to AI and hoping for the best. But for testing purposes, this is what we're going to do. So then pass that into there. Got your basic, your encoded password and username. Send that. Make sure it's turned on. You'll do that more times than you can count. And it has the same effect as if the Postman authentication was on.